Kaunti ya Samburu ni imwe ya kaunti ithano iria itari irandikithia murwaru ona umwe wa COVID-19. No ihenya riria murimu uyu uratamba naguo nirio ritumite amwe ya magavana maria matari marandikithia riboti ona imwe meshirie kugitira andu ao na njira iria huthu ya gwika guo kuringana nao.
We also exploring possibilities of closing down Samburu County now that we don't have a case and we have cases rising at an alarming rate elsewhere. We will liaise with the national government and see possibility of restricting entries to Samburu.
Nyingi cia thibitari iria hau kabere ciigitwo cire cia gutungatira arwaru a COVID-19 guku Nairobi o hamwe na kaunti-ini ya Mombasa ikirikana riu ni njihuru na koguo aria mararwarira kaunti-ini ingi matigukorwo na wikio tiga kurigitirwo kuria mari.
It is quite clear that the president was right from the very beginning when he had the lockdowns, when he locked down Nairobi and locked down the area of Mombasa, because we are seeing, for example, in Machakos, the high numbers for us are in Mavoko area. Over 90% of all the cases in Machakos are from Lolongo and the river areas, which now are bordering Nairobi and part of the Nairobi metropolitan.
Magavana riu nio matigairwo wigirирiki wa gutigirira andu ni marumirira mawatho na kaunti ciao ihote gutua rurenda rwa kugwatania murimu uyu.
And I'm soon going to be asking the police in Nyeri to walk around with whips, whether it is constitutional or not. Ukipatikana unatembea bila mask because you are a risk to other people, not to yourself but even to other people.
At least watu wetu hata wakipimwa na Lancet, all the county hospitals zikiwe zikipima watu, kwa sababu unajua the minute unaambiwa uko na corona watu wanaanza kukuogopa. Murugamiriri wa bengi ya Equity Dagitari James Mwangi unyitanirine na kamiti ya mwanya iria yathondekirwo ni president ya kurubuia kigina gia COVID-19 mathiete na mbere na kuheana uteithio kaunti-ini itiganite niguo ciiganie gutungatira arwaru aria mangikorwo kaunti-ini ici.
Twina murigo muritu muno tondu murimu wa cukari, murimu wa gutengera thakame, ni mirimu ikoretwo gicigo-ini, na murimu wa cancer ni mirimu ikoretwo ienjeire muno guku gwitu, na andu aria maranyitwo ni coronavirus mena mirimu iyo ni marahatiririka muno na nio maratuika gututiga.
I ask our people to be very careful and to be patient whatever happening. We must pray for this disease itapia kutoka hapa.
O kaunti yagirirwo ni gukorwo na mariri matanyihiire 300 ma arwaru aria mari hatikaini o riri thirikari nene na ikundi itiganite citari cia githirikari ithiete na mbere na kuheana mbeca kuri kaunti niguo kumahũthahũthĩria mũrigo ũyũ wa mehariria. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.